Are you a first-time taxpayer? Here's how to manage your finance. As a first-time taxpayer, you may find filing returns challenging, but there are ways to reduce your tax outgo and manage your finances. Here's a guide on managing finances. As a first-time taxpayer, you need to understand 3 things. First, your salary structure and available deductions. Second, your other sources of income like income from investments or properties. And third, the tax slab you fall into and the corresponding tax rate. You should also understand deductions which reduce your gross income. It is the amount that the IT department allows you to reduce your taxable income and thus your tax liability. Salaried employees can claim standard deduction of 50,000 rupees per annum. You can claim deductions under various sections of the IT Act. Under Section 80C, you can invest in schemes like PPF, ELSS mutual funds, tax-saving fixed deposits, life insurance and other schemes. Section 80C combined with 24B allows deductions on home loan principal and interest repayment. Likewise, you can get deductions under 80CCD for pension contributions and 80D for health insurance premiums. You can get deductions under various sections of the IT Act. Example, under Section 80C, you get deductions up to Rs 1,50,000 per annum. Under Section 24B, you get deductions of up to Rs 2 lakhs annually. Also, under Section 80D, you get deductions of up to Rs 1 lakh per annum. Tax deducted at source or TDS is deducted by the payer like an employer or bank with which you have FD. TDS is deducted as per your tax slab. Since TDS is already deducted, your total payable tax amount is calculated by factoring the tax payable on the taxable income minus the TDS deducted. You can now file your tax returns online. Ensure you submit the necessary documents and provide proofs of investment.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.